terms related to spherical mirror. So I am taking the concave mirror. So for concave mirror and convex mirror, both will be the same. What are the terms we use for concave mirror? The same will be used for convex mirror too. So here I am considering the pole, the middle point of the spherical mirror. Actually, it is a part of the sphere. So if you consider it is a part of the sphere, I am taking a small portion which is reflecting the light. So if you take the sphere, I am taking the small portion where reflection taking place. So that's why it is called curvature. Okay. So here I am considering the spherical mirror. The middle point of the spherical mirror is called pole. So anyway, for sphere, center will be there. So here it is the center, that is called center of curvature. This center of reflecting surface, because this is the curvature, right? This portion is called curvature. That's why center of curvature. Center of curvature. So first point is pole. We can say pole, the middle point of the spherical mirror. Second one is the center of the imaginary sphere in which mirror is a part, that is called center of curvature. The third one is the line joining of center of curvature and pole. The line joining of center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. Principal axis, the line joining of center of curvature and pole. So this is called principal axis. Principal axis. So here you can observe the distance between, here if you take the sphere, the distance between center to one point on the circle, a sphere is known as radius of radius. Here we are taking the small portion, that is curvature. That's why it is called radius of curvature. The distance between center of curvature and pole is called radius of curvature. And after reflection, all light rays will meet at one point. After reflection, all light rays will meet at one point on the principal axis, that is called principal focus, or simply we can say focus. Principal focus or focus. The distance between focus to pole. So here we can say the distance between focus to pole, this distance is called focal length. Fifth one is focal length. Focal length. Focal length. So denoted with small letter f. Focal length. Okay. So focal length denoted with a small letter f. Here denoted with a capital letter F. Focus or principal focus. Focal length. Sixth one, the width of the mirror or the diameter of the mirror is called aperture. The width of the mirror or the diameter of the mirror is called aperture. Aperture. Right? So we can say aperture. So once again, so the middle point of the reflecting surface is called pole. The center of the imaginary sphere in which mirror is a part is called center of the curvature. center of curvature. We can say simply center of curvature. The line joining of center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. After reflection, these are the reflected light rays, this one and this one. After reflection, all light rays will meet at one point on the principal axis is called focus, or simply we can say principal focus. Simply we can say in the simple form we can say focus. The distance between focus to pole is called focal length, and the width of the mirror is called aperture. The width of the mirror is called aperture. So these are the radius of curvature. Here we discussed radius of curvature. The distance between center of curvature to pole. The distance between center of curvature to pole is called radius of curvature. What is that? The distance between center of curvature, radius of curvature. So what is that? The distance between center of curvature and pole of the mirror is known as radius of curvature. These are the 7 terms related to spherical mirror. These terms also known as nomenclature of spherical mirror, are simply can say terms related to spherical mirror. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you.